Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to disable erase iPhone data after failed passwords. This feature is actually helpful, especially if you're trying to protect your phone for maybe it was snatched or lost and whatnot. Then after several password attempts, your iPhone data will automatically be erased. But what if you have a child and of course children just enter whatever they want to enter? You don't want your data to be automatically erased. So to disable that, open your settings and then here on settings, go to Face ID and passcode. So scroll down. Here it is. Of course, enter your passcode. I'll enter mine here. And then once you're in here, scroll down. And it is located on the last option that you'll see in here. You'll see erase data. Erase all data on this iPhone after 10 failed passcode attempts. Now, since we're going to disable that, we're going to tap on this one. So it will be disabled. Anytime that you would like to enable it again, you can by repeating the steps. But basically, that's how to disable erase iPhone data after failed password attempts. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.